everyone, Sophia here for my Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel, and I believe this is episode 33 in my master bedroom makeover. It's taking a long time, isn't it? I'm still painting. I'm gonna give you a quick tour so you get to see what the blue chair looks like in the bedroom, and I gotta tell you, we love it. We absolutely love it. It looks great. This whole bedroom transformation is a long time coming. You notice that I'm taking my time. I'm doing it on purpose, not because I want to stretch content, but because I don't want to get exhausted and I just want to do things right. So today what I'm doing is finally painting the back here, and it took me weeks to decide whether I wanted it in green or if I wanted it in white, and I've decided that I want it in green. So the same green you see in the back here is gonna come on the back of the bed. And the reason why I'm doing this, let me turn the camera a little bit, is because right here on this wall, right now this is just like my regular lamp. What I'm going to do here is have sconces. I have seen sconces on Amazon that are wired. They're not hardwired. They have like a regular plug, and I'm going to put sconces here, and they are directional sconces. They have like an arm, and they're going to be the same brass color than the hardware in the room. So they're gonna go here, and I think they're gonna look much better against the green background. So that's the reason why I'm gonna do it in green. And I had started painting that in white, but that's okay. It will be green. So I'm gonna do that today. Do this whole wall. I am keeping the attic sliding doors in white. That's only because I think it's just gonna look better with the blue chair in front of it, and that would be it. That's all I'm doing today. It's not a lot. I have my paint ready. The bed is being glued, you remember, so I can move it. I have it on the gliders, so I'm going to be able to move the bed on my own, and I'll just do that. So it's going to be a short video, but I do want to show you what the blue chair looks like and tell you what the next steps are after that. Welcome back to my bedroom, and you've seen this area already. This is the wall I'm going to paint today, but I wanted to show you what this area looks like with the blue chair. So this is the blue chair as a part of the reading nook. Here it is, and I think it looks great. Scott loves it. I love it. I'm going to move towards Scott's side of the bed so you can see what this side of the room looks like with the green and the blue. So this is where we're at, and the next step after I paint all of this here in green is the rug. I have a rug that I found on the street that I need to wash. I'm expecting a pressure washer to be sent to me by a company for a review. I'm going to insert a picture right here so you can see what the rug looks like. This is actually not the exact same rug, but it's a similar design and color, definitely blue and white. So the rug is going to go over here, and then right here I'm looking for a small glass table that is gold and glass, and that's going to be for me to put either the book I'm reading or plant or my cup of tea or whatever. And then of course the floor will be the last thing, and the floor is going to be the same color than the closet right here. And if you want to see the chair closer, here it is. We really like it. That product worked. Somebody asked me if it still feels like velvet. It doesn't. It feels more like it's a little bit harder. Not crunchy, but harder than velvet, but it's not gritty, like uncomfortable. It's actually pretty nice, and love it. Okay, so this is the other side of the room. We do have the portable air conditioner running at night because it gets really, really hot. So that's unsightly, but what am I going to do? And here is Scott's side. And then on this side, there's not much, just my bike and my jewelry box, and that's about it. So when you come in, don't mind the ring light. This is what you see. This is my bedroom. I would say it's a major improvement compared to what I had before, and I'm excited about it. First things first, there's one area that's really bothering me, and it's the area right here. It's got some paint from the ceiling that went onto the edges here. I gotta fix that because every day I come in I see it. As I'm doing this, I'm realizing that I didn't finish the second coat here. That's behind the bed, so good thing I still have the white paint. I'm gonna have to do that. So this is one coat on the back here, but now I got an issue as to what do I do with the transition here. Obviously underneath it stays white, but it looks like I'm gonna have to do the back of the shelf here in green. So I gotta move everything and paint it. Hopefully it will look good. I'm done with the green, and what I'm going to do now is paint this. Make sure it's closed. I gotta wash it, and then I gotta do the white. So this is going to be white, and then the top here is going to be white too. So let me just wipe it off. Well, it's amazing what a coat of paint will do. This is almost like brand new now. All nice and clean, 2 coats, finished that part of the ceiling I had not finished the last time. I'm gonna let everything dry before I move all the furniture, and when I come back I'll give you a final look. It's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.